to part whatever because my SD card, which is from pen drive, I think you can get it for 60 ringgit. This is a 32 gigabyte class 10 SD card, so ran out of space. So thank God I heard the beep 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 of the camera because I set it to have more sound. Because it's frustrating to actually think that you are shooting but you are actually not, then the whole video is fucked. So the most important thing is the roast pork. The skin must be like crunchy and there's a bit of fat in for the salty, moisture like taste to it. Can you hear that? It's salty and oh my god, the roast pork very nice. And it's salty. Since it's salty, eat some with the sweet wantan, yin yang factor. It's very good with the noodles. And more about the char siu. The char siu is full of the fat in it. Wow, oh my god! And if you want to make an excellent char siu, sweet and nice and moist. As bottoms up. Nice. Very nice. The problem with a lot of the food sellers in Malaysia as a whole is they hang their char siu on that spiky thing, and over time it becomes drier and drier. So this is not dry, this is fresh. It's around 9:30 AM now, so this is the best time to eat char siu, especially when the person actually made it on site itself in the morning. So it's salty. No, sorry, this is the sweet one. So want to get a yin yang factor, dip it in the light soy sauce, which is salty, and bottoms up. The sugar caramelization, crunchy and delicious. Oh my god. So the start of the show of this food here from this what's it called, Meng Kee. It's not the wantan, not anything else, but the char siu and also the roast pork. Oh my god, very nice. Chilies is a bit spicy as well, but when it comes to the pickled chili, I prefer the one in Bido, the baseball Kunchun, famous for its dark herbal wantan min. That's the best so far. Sweet, crunchy and nice. This one is okay, not bad. Delicious. Oh. Hopefully it's not too expensive. I don't know about the price because the website that I got this information from, the Motormouth from Ipoh, and that was in 2011 or 2009, so the prices must have gone up by then. It was 5 ringgit back then. Very moist, delicious. Not dry, very moist. That's how when I was at the back lane, the smell of the char siu and also the roast pork reminded me of the time back in Britain, working in that condo restaurant in God knows where, in west of London, 2 hours drive from London itself. So it brings back a lot of memories. Of all the senses, the smell is a very strong element that actually brings back memories. At the time that the smell, like your first girlfriend, what she smells like, and the first time you're doing it or something like that, how she smells, that's a very important thing. So when I was talking to Mr. Chan, my memories were going back to Britain. In the restaurant that I work as a waiter is a posh Chinese Hong Kong restaurant. Look at the pork. Anthony Bourdain, eat your heart out. This is delicious. Or Andrew Zimmerman or Sarah whatever, or Andrew Praise. This is good shit. This pork here. You don't need a suckling pork or a suckling pig. You just need this shit here. This pork bellies. Very sweet, very moist, very good. I haven't eaten such char siu in a long time already. It's a restaurant quality or caliber char siu, and this place does not even have aircon, so you don't need to be in a posh restaurant to enjoy such a delicious char siu. It's only by chance that I got to know or come to this place, because last night I was like going through the web, the Google or Intersphere or Internet Sphere, and I just stumbled upon this one because I just Googled PJ or SS2 good food, and directs me to Motormouth, and from Motormouth there I found this place, and thank God the food is still good, because there are a lot of places sometimes they get too famous already, it's not so good. But thank God that the roast pork and the char siu is just good, very good. So if you want to have like coffee in the morning, you won't find coffee here, only lai cha. Oh, it's fat. Oh my god, fat. I'm gonna get a heart attack soon. All this chi pei or pork rind, cracking pork. People who have high cholesterol and stuff like that, I think they'll be very envious of watching this video. Let's go with oil from the pork itself. Oh my god. And I said earlier, this is non-halal, so Jews and Muslims, they cannot eat this, which is quite a shame. I think the human race would be a much better place, or better species, if everybody learned to eat pork. Food can actually bring people together, and religion does not do that. Religion segregates people. Very nice, indeed. I didn't say anything about the noodles. The noodles is good as well. Personally, when it comes to wantan mee, I do not like to eat this one because there's not much in it. It's more air than flour. I prefer to have the thick noodles, tai lok min. That one is more flour per portion. So what are my plans for today? I'm not sure actually. Barbecues maybe. The fat from this one, oh my god, sweet heavenly deliciousness. Full of oil, delicious. I think the marathon runners don't usually eat this much fat on oil. So did I enjoy myself in the Sunway pyramid thingy? Yeah, I did. I enjoyed it the hell out of it. It's very fun to actually take the video of the people who are in the cow pen, waiting to be released into the world, running and jogging and whatever they do and walking. The atmosphere is electric. And sadly, I did not get to like interview Marina. Of course, the time when I stumbled upon her, I couldn't believe I could actually recognize her, even though I just seen her for once. Some people also I have seen, like Konnichiwa, I've seen them. I can think maybe I can recognize all these criticals easily. So I did not like interview or ask an interview from Marina because I got a feeling that she was like, oh my god, she was rolling her eyes or something like that. So I might as well fuck off and continue on walking without saying anything else. But good morning. Too bad I didn't say good luck. But saying good luck is kind of like condescending because it's like, oh, I don't believe you are going to finish the marathon. So good luck. So, slow spot. Oh my god. Crunchy. Oh my god. Delicious. Salty and put some of the sauce which is sweet. 8 stars out of 10, my friends. Good shit. So this is the end of my review. Hopefully it's going to be a good day today, definitely. Better not smoke in the premise because they might kill me. Although there's ashtrays everywhere. Give and take lor, right now. So I'm pretty busy like uploading all my videos into the net. It takes a very long time because each file is like 4 gigs worth of videos. I covered the shit out of Putra Jaya Marathon already and covered the shit out of Sunway Marathon. Sunway Marathon is only worth like 3 hours worth of videoing. It's more than enough already. 3 batteries is good enough for that event because there were only like 2 stages in that Sunway Marathon. But when it comes to, like, say, the Penang Marathon, that one I'm not sure. I think there are a couple of stages, so it's going to be a hectic day there. And I'll continue on doing my Penang Hunt series, version 2.0, to bringing good food to you via videoing, so that you don't have to eat excellent food. I'll do it for you. You can watch me eat it. I'm a nice guy. So far it's around 9:45 AM. It's a nice day, it's not sunny at all. The weather is cool, very cool. Since last night it rained the shit out in KL, getting away all the exhaust gas from the cars and stuff. So I'm having high hopes for Penang, the Penang trip. There are so many places that I need to cover. Galaxy I already covered, but behind Galaxy there are a lot of runners and bicyclists. Is there such a thing as bicyclists? People who ride on bicycles going up the hill. Oh my god! mean, for me personally, when I was walking up the hill, trying to avoid the paying for that car track thingy, just to see the Gunyam statue, it really took my breath away. Not the Gunyam statue, but the fucking walking up the hill, which is a 45-degree slope. That really took my breath away. And on top of the hill, if I were to go up further, of course I'm not going to do it by using my two-legged appendages. I'll be using a motorcycle to go up there. There is a reservoir for water. I think it's a dam. Don't know whether it's for electricity or not, but it is up there. Excuse me. And I'm going to visit that place. And there's also the Bukit Bendera, which I think I'll try my best to actually find the best way to go up there without using the train thingy. Then there's also the botanical gardens. Then there's also the butterfly farm. Is there a butterfly farm in Penang? I'm not sure. I think there's only in Cameron Highlands. And of course, there's also, like, say, what Chill 18080 says that Pago Island. Yeah, that I would do in the future, definitely. But I just don't have the time. Yes, I mean, I'm just very, very busy doing nothing. So it's an excellent meal, very fattening breakfast. And it will last me until lunch. Lunch, I don't think I'll be eating anything at all. I've been having irregular eating times since the marathon began last Saturday and Sunday. And I'm still recuperating from having like not enough sleep for the past couple of days already. So I guess I'll see you in Malaysia and wherever you are from. So if you like it, like it. If you don't like it, don't like it. And if you like what I do, do subscribe. Leave a comment. I will get back to you definitely with funny and thumbs up type of quotes and stuff like that. I'll try my best to entertain you and don't leave any stupid comments, okay? See you in Malaysia and bye-bye. Let's go and have a 360 view of the place. A lot of shaking camera as well. Okay, see you. Bye bye.